today what we're going to be doing is using a 21-inch Toro self-propelled mower. It's not like the personal pace that you see, the 30-inch like that. It's just when when you're going, it goes as fast as you want to go. It's been raining now for probably the past hour and a half. It really came down. So we're going to see how well the 21-inch self-propelled mower does when the grass is wet. Still at the house now, but we'll be heading that way here shortly. As you can see, like, it's pretty wet, so I'll probably gonna be leaving here in probably like 30 minutes. We're gonna go out there, mow some lawns, mow them wet, make a few videos, show you how well mowers do when it's this wet. Like I said, probably in about an hour and a half that it rained, we probably got at least a good ½ inch to an inch of rain. So it's the Toro guaranteed to start GTS 140cc. It's a 21-inch self-propelled. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Comes with a bagger unit. There's no side discharge for it. So that's all it is. You have to hold this down. Then you pull the cord. This here will help it go by itself. So we're at the job now, and we'll go get everything set up and be back in a second. It cut pretty well. And then here's this one. Went over it twice, but it did pretty good here with one cut. And then over there, it didn't do too good because I went quicker there. But overall, it did pretty good cutting when it's really wet. I mean, you can see the puddles and all that good stuff. But, for 21-inch, mower, I think did pretty dang good. I'm actually impressed. I thought I'd probably do worse than what it did. But, so, definitely give it a thumbs up. Definitely yes if you have wet grass. If you try, like I said, just go slow, take your time, and you'll pretty much get it all on the first swipe. It's just I like to cut lawns twice when I mow, especially for my clients where they pay weekly no matter what. Because last week I missed the week because of all the rain that we got. So double cut makes the lawn looks nicer. So this is definitely good to go. Definitely get it if you're interested in this machine. Toro 21-inch self-propelled mower. I want to say I bought this one for $500 some. Usually it's a lot cheaper, but with inflation, things happen. So if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. More videos coming soon. Ciha Nation out.